Michelle Daniela Marquez D., born April 24, 1995, is a Filipino actress, model, TV host, and beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2023. She represented the Philippines at the Miss Universe 2023 competition in El Salvador, where she placed in the top 10 and won for special awards. D previously won Miss World Philippines 2019. She represented the Philippines at the Miss World 2019 pageant in London, England, where she finished in the top 12. Michelle Daniela Marquez D. was born in Makati, Metro Manila, Philippines. On April 24, 1995, to businessman, film producer, and former actor Frederick Derek D., and to actress, author, former supermodel, and beauty queen Melanie Marquez, who won Miss International 1979 through her father. D is a third-generation Chinese Filipino. Her paternal granduncle was China Bank founder D.C. Chuan, who immigrated from China to the Philippines in 1901. Her grandfather D.K. Chiang was a former senior vice president of China Bank, while her paternal grandmother, heiress and philanthropist Regina Y.D., was the daughter of Yu Hung-kun, who served as premier of Taiwan. Former PBA player Joey Marquez is her maternal uncle. D's maternal cousin, and Joey's daughter is an actress and fellow beauty queen Win Marquez, who won Reina Hispano Americana in 2017. D has one sister, Maxine D., and for maternal half-siblings, Manolito, the son of actor and Senator Lito Lapid. Mason, now 33, was diagnosed with autism, the son of her mother with Arab sheet partner, Abraham, and Adam, who was diagnosed with delay syndrome, sons of her mother with husband Adam Lawyer. She spent a considerable time of her childhood in their family ranch in Utah, United States, during summers and family vacations. D grew up loving farm animals and enjoying the countryside, both in Utah and in her family's hacienda in Mabalacat, Pampanga. She attended the De La Salle University in Manila and graduated with a degree in psychology. In 2021, D completed her certificate program in entrepreneurship essentials from the Harvard Business School. Personal life. In May 2023, D came out as bisexual in an interview with Mega Magazine. She currently lives with actress and model Ryan Ramos. On May 1st, 2024, D got her arm tattooed by Wang Odd with her 3-dot signature. Then, she playfully crowned Appa Wang Odd beauty queen while the latter signed Michelle's tattoo-inspired Mark Bumgarner long black gown sketch inspired by her. Dee bestowed upon wearing out a jersey with text Filipinas 2023 in front and MMD printed in the back. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.